Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to set up Canon R50 camera. I will be covering how to attach lens, then how to insert battery and memory card. First I will show you how to attach lens. First we have to remove this cap from the camera lens mount. We can rotate this cap in anti-clockwise direction and remove it. And here we can see mounting index on this camera body. So next we have to remove this cap from the lens. Here also we can rotate this cap in anti-clockwise direction and remove it. We can also find one mounting index on this lens. See, next I am going to attach this lens. Make sure that this mount index on camera body and lens, that has to align. Then rotate this lens in clockwise direction until we hear a tick sound. Okay, done. So now I have successfully attached the lens. Next I am going to show you how to insert battery and memory card. We can find battery and memory card slot on back side of the camera. We have to open this cap. We can see lock and open. Just pull this down and open this cap. This is the battery slot. This is the memory card slot. First I am going to insert this battery. So this is the LPE17 battery. So let me insert it. When we insert, this Canon label has to come this side. So this is a position. So let me insert this battery, then push. Done. Next I am going to insert this memory card. So when we insert this memory card, this label has to come this side. So this is a position. We can insert memory card like this. Then just push. Done. Then close the cap, lock it. So this way we can insert memory card and battery. If you want to remove that, first make sure that camera is in off state, then open the cap, unlock and open. If you want to remove memory card, just push on the memory card, then remove it. If you want to remove the battery, here we can see one lever. We need to pull that lever. Then we can remove the battery. Okay. So let me close it and lock. So this way we can attach lens and insert battery and memory card into Canon R50 camera. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.